Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The next few days we are going to celebrate the Harvest Festival in India. It is celebrated in many states with a different name. In Tamil Nadu, the festival gets its name from the traditional dish that is prepared on this day, which is Pongal. Now, Pongal is made in two versions, savory version as well as sweet. Sweet Pongal I had prepared last year. So today let's make the savory version, which is also known as Ven Pongal or Khara Pongal. So shall we proceed to make this Ven Pongal today?
Ven Pongal. This is a savory version of Pongal which is served usually for breakfast. You can enjoy it with chutney or sambar. For this we have taken 1 cup rice, 1 cup yellow moong dal. We'll soak them at least for 1 hour. Ghee or clarified butter 2 tablespoons. Salt as needed. 1 sprig of curry leaves. Hing or Asafoetida 1/4 teaspoon. Cumin seeds 1 tablespoon. Black peppercorns 1 tablespoon. Dry red chillies 1 or 2 broken into pieces. Cashewnuts handful, cut them into halves. Detailed recipe link and ingredients list is also shared in the description box. Soak rice and dal together for at least 1 hour. Before cooking, we'll rinse them very well for 2-3 times until the water is clean. Transfer the rice and dal into a pressure cooker. You can cook it in normal pan on low flame also, but pressure cooker is faster. Now using the same measuring cup, measure the water 6 cups. For 2 cups we are adding 6 cups of water. Ratio of 1:3. Add little salt as required. Give it a stir and bring it to a boil. We have to remove all the froth or foam from top and also let the water reduce before closing the cooker lid. Friends, if you haven't subscribed, please do so to see all these delicious recipes and click on the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. Check the salt. Now brush some oil on the rim of the lid near the gasket and the whistle. This is the tip I have shared many times with you. Now you can close the cooker and reduce the flame to medium because the water content is too much. So cook up to 3 whistles. On low flame it takes a little longer for the whistle. If you cook on high flame, the water splashes out through it. Now switch off the flame and let it cool down. Open the lid after releasing the pressure. Perfect. If you are serving immediately, this is the perfect consistency. Remember, it thickens on keeping. If you are serving it little later, you can add more water. You can add hot water and adjust the consistency. Now heat ghee in a small pan. You can be liberal with ghee because it tastes very good in Pongal. Let it melt on low flame. Now add the cashew nuts, followed by hing, cumin seeds and peppercorns, then the red chillies, and finally some curry leaves. Add it to the pongal and mix it. Such a lovely aroma of hing. When the tempering is added with ghee, you can imagine the flavors. So friends, do give this flavorful breakfast a try. Yummy, yummy. Garnish it a little bit before serving with some cashew nuts and serve it with chutney or sambar or both. Makes a delicious breakfast. Do check out the sweet pongal version also that I had shared last year. I am sharing the link in the description box and I button. Happy cooking and you enjoy your pongal festivities. See you soon with another recipe. Thank you for watching, and here are some videos from the archives. Have a look at these if you want. Bye.